I'm standing at the gateway to Boston's oldest neighborhood, and also the home of the Sullivan Square Community Garden. And to help us look at this local treasure today is Penny. Hi, Penny.
Morning.
What a piece of paradise here in the middle of the city.
Isn't it beautiful?
Gorgeous. When was this established?
In 1976, this was a vacant, rubble-strewn lot that the city allowed the first gardeners to put down roots on.
Now, I know land's worth a lot in the city, so this must be worth a lot.
We were extremely lucky. 20 years ago, we were allowed to buy it for $1. The city conveyed it to us with covenants that mean that it must stay as open space and a community garden.
I need a deal like that.
We're very lucky.
Who gardens here?
The only requirement is that you live in Charlestown.
Must be a great way to meet the community.
It's a phenomenal way to meet the community. In fact, it's a way that I met many of my neighbors.
Now, you have no fence here.
That's also by design. We wanted to create a close internal garden community, but we also wanted to be welcoming to the external community. And we have people who come and have lunch here from the office buildings, and we have families that walk through here with their children.
That's really cool.
Isn't it?
Now, this piece of land is pretty big. I'd say it's about an acre.
It's just under. We have 64 plots.
And I love the way each plot reflects the personality of the gardener. Here we have a bunch of really pretty flowers, and this one here looks to be all vegetables.
This is one of our best vegetable gardeners, and she just started in this plot this year.
Well, she's doing very well. Oh, look here. There we go. Another day or two, and that's going to be perfectly red and ready to eat. Some beans, yeah. Look inside here. String beans.
And she started with peas, so she's transitioned to beans. She's making the best of it.
Yeah, small garden, you have to do that. And look here. Now that is a cucumber ready for harvest.
Fabulous. You know, it's not all just vegetables and flowers. It takes a lot of maintenance to run the garden.
Who does the maintenance?
We do, through volunteer efforts and fundraising.
What a great resource this is for Charlestown. Thank you so much for showing this beautiful garden to me, Penny.
You're very welcome. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.